What's up guys, Phil here with Transfer Superstars. I'm here with Shelby over at Liberty Bags. We're going to talk about some of the new products that they have, some of the products that they already have, and some of the things that we're going to be trying out soon with transfers. So let's go ahead and dive in. This is Shelby.
Hi.
This is going to be a wine bag that we're going to be testing on. Can you talk a little bit about this?
Okay, this is our neoprene wine tote. We have a single or a six-pack. So you can
pretty much keep press,
yeah.
Decorate them any way that you want, and at the same time keep your wine chilled, right?
Correct.
Okay. Have you guys tested how long the wine keeps cool here? Or?
We have not. No,
okay.
No.
But it's a nice.
Sorry.
It's a nice packaging, definitely for wine, and it seems a little bit padded. So I definitely like that. It'll help with the glass, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's talk about the next thing here, which I really like. It's going to be
$500 Firefox winner.
You can explain.
This is a 600D polyester garment bag. I think gusseted. It's one. I don't think anyone else in the industry actually has a bag like this. And it has like a really good zipper that goes all the way down.
It's nice and thick and heavy duty.
Really thick, and it has big handles. And then what you do is, after you close it, you can always just hang out like this. A lot of the schools, the bands, cheer, they will get this bag. It lasts like a long time.
That's awesome. And I think it would be a great item to also decorate, personalize as well, especially if you're cheer or you're part of a school and you have a mascot or some type of logo. I think this would be great to keep things nice and personalized as well. So.
And you can imprint it anywhere. Like you could do the sides, like if there's a bunch of people, you can just put the people's initials on the sides or the front.
Yeah, and it's really heavy duty compared to some of the free bags that you get with suits, so this is really nice.
Yes.
So the next thing that popped in to my site was going to be these metallic Koozies.
So these are metallic Koozies. They on the inside it's more of a neoprene. And they're pretty thick, and it comes in about 4 or 5 different colors, and they print easy.
Yeah, I think these are going to be fun. We already have a video of us doing Koozies, but we haven't done one with the metallic finish, so this is going to be pretty exciting to see how it turns out. Are they sold single, or are they sold in the pack?
No, just single. You can buy one, or you can buy hundreds. It just depends on all our products. That you can buy one or buy thousands. It just depends on what you want.
Awesome.
No minimum order.
No minimum orders. And these are some of the things that I didn't know that Liberty Bag also carries, which was a towel and what is it?
So these are, let me find it here. So these are tea towels.
Tea towels.
So you can imprint on them. We have cotton ones or polyester ones. And then if you go to little boutique stores, they have little like wine sayings on there. They're really, really cute. So there's this one, and
yeah, this is pretty cool too. We should show.
So this one is our printer-friendly towel. So it comes in I think 8 different colors, and you just put your logo, school logo, or any type of logo in the circle there.
So we'll give this one a shot too to see how it transfers. Stay tuned for that video.
And we can do, these are picnic blankets where you can do a heat press on the front cover here, or this one where this is a 600D polyester one, but this one is a nylon one where you can put your logo at the front and then you have your nice fleece on the inside.
Can we open this real quick?
Yeah.
It's great for picnics. It comes in several colors. The one that I like was the red in the back pattern. So that's the one that we're going to be trying this transfer on. But so far it looks good. It feels great. It packs up pretty tight. I would love to have this in the back of the car and never leave the car without it. So you never know when you have to stop to have a picnic or lunch, right?
Actually, this is great for football because when I watch my son play football, I'll bring this with me just in case it's like it rains a little bit or it's cold or it's raining. I just wrap this around me.
Yeah, this is awesome.
For bleachers.
Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Again, thank you, Shelby, for having us here at the Expo. We're looking forward to trying out these products with our transfers. Again, nice meeting you. Nice seeing you again.
Thank you.
Thanks for having a couple moments with us. We'll see you guys later.